My name is Konagar Asadul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm Managing Director and CEO of City Brokerage Limited, one of the largest brokerage operation in Bangladesh. So cross-border trading is important. Turkey can take a role model on that. I mean, the way Chair President spoke today in a crisis opportunity, global crisis and other crisis, ifs and buts. I mean, again, someone has to take the initiative. Someone has to build the cats. So maybe the Turkish leadership, dynamic leadership, they can take the opportunity and take the initiative to do something like cross-border trading and other things. I have seen many Muslim in the Middle East, but I have not seen Islam in the Middle East or So when I visited Japan and other country, I have seen Islam over there. So as a Muslim country in Turkey as a nation, I mean, they have a heritage, they have a history. So they can take a role model on that. I mean, it's a combination of Asia and Europe. That is a Euro-Asia. That can make a combine of the two culture. You can bring the culture and commonalities of both Asia and Europe. That is the biggest advantage of a country like Turkey, that I believe, and it can bring it to the next level. That I believe in my personal opinion, as a combination. It's a rare combination of other country like Asia, Euro-Asia. I'm a great believer. I'm a good human being. My first identity is I'm a good human being. I am Muslim, yes.